Welcome to the LOCTITE Pulse app, your smart solution to keep your plant running smoothly. LOCTITE Pulse provides 24/7 insights so you can prevent failures before they happen. Monitor a broad variety of equipment, from static to rotating equipment. Access the app anytime, anywhere, from any device. Let's take a closer look. After the easy login, you access your dashboard. Here you'll see all your plants at a glance, via map or list. Let's check one. You'll see an overview of all your monitored assets. Green means that everything's fine, orange means that a check is required, red signals immediate action. Click notifications to view past alerts and track performance. The system also sends push or email notifications so you'll never miss anything. Take this steam trap. Instead of manual inspection, LOCTITE Pulse detects early dysfunctions and blockages and checks if everything runs smoothly. It even shows the financial loss, steam loss and CO2 emissions of any issues, and calculates the losses that will occur if you do not act. For rotating equipment, the first thing that catches your eye is the remaining useful life, that is calculated by data like 3D vibration, acoustic emissions, magnetic flux, and temperature that you can track as well. For repairs, you can easily log updates with add documentation, creating a complete asset history. All data can be accessed via the API and can be used for your own applications, such as your CMMS. LOCTITE Pulse, a few clicks from stronger operations. LOCTITE Pulse. Listen to your equipment's heartbeat.